Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Black& Decker portable air conditioner suddenly shows an E4 error on the display, it can leave you wondering why cooling stopped or why the unit is not behaving the way it normally does. Sometimes the message appears after running for a while in other situations it shows up almost immediately after turning the unit on. A code like this can happen because of water collection, airflow conditions, or temporary system interruptions that affect normal operation. Before assuming something major is wrong, there are a few simple things you can check that may help clear the issue and get cooling back on track. Let's go through some easy steps that may help fix a Black& Decker portable air conditioner E4 error. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and check the drain area for collected water. Step 2. Open the drain section of the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and allow extra water to empty out. Step 3. Clean the filter inside the Black& Decker portable air conditioner if airflow seems weaker than usual. Step 4. Inspect the exhaust setup connected to the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and make sure airflow moves freely. Step 5. Restart the Black& Decker portable air conditioner after reconnecting everything properly. Step 6. Watch the display on the Black& Decker portable air conditioner and check if the E4 message disappears normally.